Good morning. 'Tis Sunday. It's very bright and sunny, but let me turn this thing round. So, I came down to the barn and everybody's inside looking pitiful. I come outside. There's hay in the hay feeder. Oh, and there's hay in the hay bags. So, they're not hungry. I have no idea why they're standing inside looking. Even you! It's not like you. Trouble. Look at them. They've just brought this extra hay bag out, thinking that they were absolutely super duper starving. Angus, what's wrong, darling? Oh, look at all his baby hair that's still coming out. That's my little huggy bug. Look at the mess they make overnight. Let's get sweetie. Hello, sweetheart. I am super fond of little. Hi, Wilbur. Hi, my darling. Then the camera doesn't work.